Girl, the way you broke my heart, it shattered like a rock through a window. I thought we had it so good, we never really saw this coming. Oh, why you gotta be so cold? Why you gotta go out and cut me like a knife and put our love on ice? Oh, girl, you know you left this hole right in the middle of my soul. Oh, oh, why you gotta be so cold? What am I supposed to say if anybody asks me about you? I guess I'd tell them without you. How am I supposed to live when I build my life around you? Try to put yourself in my shoes. Oh, why you gotta be so cold? Why you gotta go out and cut me like a knife and put our love on ice? Oh, girl, you know you left this hole right in the middle of my soul. Oh, oh, why you gotta be so cold? I can only feel love hanging on. I don't feel like it's over. I'm still on fire. Why you gotta be so cold? Well, I did have pluckers, Ivor Saw Fingers again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This is a lovely song from Chris Stapleton called Cold, okay. So this is my arrangement for a single acoustic guitar, okay. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Chris Stapleton. Right then, let's get to it. So what you heard me play there was basically a shortened version of the song. It just repeats more of the same, okay. So trying to keep the lesson as short as possible. So we're starting off with the piano intro. It's obviously playing on a piano, but this is my version of it on a guitar, okay. So we're starting off with a C sharp minor bar chord, okay, 4th fret, bar, minor shape, just a single strum, yeah. Leave it there for about 3 beats, right? And then you play that 6th fret of the 3rd string, okay? Then we go to a G sharp sus4, which is basically, again, keeping the bar on the 4th fret. 3rd finger's on the 6th fret of the 5th string, and pinky is on the 6th fret of the 3rd string. And you just strum that chord. Okay, G sharp sus4, that is. So far. Okay, that's as far as I got. Then what we do is, holding that chord, take the pinky off and play the 3rd string, which is now on the 4th fret. So, okay, so hold on the bar there. So then you put your pinky on the 6th fret of the 4th string. So right. Then back to the 6th fret on the 3rd string, sorry, 4th fret of the 3rd string on the bar. So you've got, right, 3rd string, 4th fret on the bar, and then back to that 6th fret on the 3rd with pinky. I mean, you could do it if you wanted to, but whichever way is easiest for yourself. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay, so from the beginning. I tend to play with the bar, but you could play as if you wanted to. Okay. Then what we do is we slide from the 6th fret on the 4th string to the 4th fret on the 4th string. What I tend to do is do it with the pinky, and then when you come down to the from the 6 to 4, like that, you form an F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar chord minor, F sharp minor. So now we've got this. Okay, so far, slowly. Final bit is 2nd on the 4th to 4th on the 4th. Then we play an A major 7. Right, that's it's like 2nd on the 4th with your 2nd finger, 1st on the 3rd with your 1st finger, and 2nd on the 2nd with your 3rd finger. It's like a D7 shape, but all up a string, yeah? 5 downwards, should sound like that. So now we've got this. Okay, then you play that first on the 1st fret of the 3rd string again after the A major 7th. And finally we play a G sharp 7th. That's a bar chord major shape on the 4th fret, but without pinky. Pinky off, G sharp 7. Okay, so go all the way through very slowly. There's a pause, and then there's a bit of a drum comes in, that sort of thing, bass drum snare sort of thing. Then we're into the song, okay, C sharp minor. Da 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 da. So it's C sharp minor to G sharp minor, okay, the 4th fret minor shape like that. Starts on that shape minor to that shape minor. C sharp minor to G sharp minor. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Now I like to do that, so it's when you go that G sharp minor down to F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar minor shape. And there's a very passing chord there, the G minor. So it goes G sharp minor, G sharp minor, G minor, F sharp minor. It's all very quick. Okay, so it goes, let's just get the words so I can try and put the words to it so it makes a bit more sense to you. Okay, hopefully. So here we go. So start off when you've done the drum bit, so you go. Girl may have broke my heart, it shattered like a rock through a window. Is that? Shattered like a rock through a window. There's a minor shape going down from 4 down to 2. window. Then I do a lazy A. That's just barring the first 4 strings, 2nd fret, 1st finger. Open A string, 5th string. And I think I hear that note there. Some people just play an A chord. You can play an A chord there, A there, or A here, whichever A chord you want. But I tend to play it with the A6 sort of thing. But you can just play straight A if you want, okay? Whichever you fancy the sound of, okay? So once again, from the beginning. Girl, it broke my heart. It shattered like a rock through a window. A or A6, and then this G sharp 7th again, or A flat 7th, whichever way you want to call it, G sharp 7th or A flat 7th. 4th fret 7th chord, and then it just repeats more the same thing again. I thought we had it, it's so good. Never really saw this coming. A or A6 to G sharp 7, and then we're into the chorus, and it's very similar but slightly different. Okay, so the chorus. So let's go from right from the beginning to the end of the first verse. Okay, so right from the beginning, intro. Girl, the way you broke my heart, shattered like a rock through a window. I thought that we had it so good, we never really saw this coming. Okay, now into the chorus, C sharp minor again. Oh, why you gotta be so cold? Now this is slightly different. It's similar but different. You just go down to a B. Instead of going to the G sharp minor, you go to the B chord. Now I'm playing a B bar chord. Okay, 2nd fret bar, and then the 3rd finger is playing the 4th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. You can use 3 fingers on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, 4th fret. Or you could play a simple B like that. Just play 4 down to 1. You can do that, so it's a oh, why you gotta be so cold? You could do it like that, but you don't get the bass content. But if that's if you can't manage the bar chord, then that's the way to do it. Or you could play a bar chord B up here on the 7th fret, if that's easier for you. Okay, whichever B suits you best. That one, or that one. Okay, so oh, why you gotta be so cold? Why you gotta go and cut me like a knife? Now F sharp minor after the B. Okay, that's that 2nd fret bar minor shape. Or you could make a simple F sharp minor if you wanted to, like that. If you didn't want to play the bar, you could play it like that. Same with this. When you do the verse, you could, if you don't want to play the bar, you could just bar the first 3 strings. So, girl, the way you broke my heart, you could do it like that. Okay, but you don't get the bass content, which makes it a bit thin. Okay. Anyway, back to the chorus. Sorry, from the beginning of the chorus. Oh. Why you gotta be so cold? Why you gotta go and cut me like a knife? Back to the A again. Put your love, G sharp 7 twice. Same again, repeats the whole thing, different words. Oh, girl, you know you left this hole right in the middle of my soul. Oh, A to G sharp 7, be so cold. Then it does an instrumental verse, C sharp minor to G sharp minor, just like a verse. slide down to F sharp minor, then the A, and then the G sharp 7. Then we're into the next verse, exactly the same as the first verse. What am I supposed to say if anybody asks me about you? I guess I'll tell them without you. How am I supposed to live when I build a life around you? Try to put yourself in my shoes. And of course again, oh, why you gotta be quite cold? Why you gotta have shut my cut me like an eye, and put my G sharp 7 to mine again? Oh, girl, you know you left this hole right in the middle of my soul. Oh, why you gotta be so... Now we go into the middle break, the middle break, or your middle 8 version, yeah. So into an A major, well, I make it an A major 7th, again that chord you used on the intro. That one looks like a D7 but upper string. So you come out that, oh, why you gotta be so cold? I can only feel this love hanging on, into a B. Okay, so A major 7th. I can only feel my love hanging on. And then it does a quick change of a G sharp 7 again to the B. Like, okay, whichever B you're playing. Okay, so when it goes that, why you gotta be so cold? I can only feel my love hanging on. I don't feel like it's over. So it's that G sharp 7th. Oh, I don't feel, back to the B, and then that A major 7th again. So cold, I can only feel my love hanging on. I don't feel like it's A, back to A major 7th, over. I'm still on G sharp 7th, fire. Stop, why you gotta be so... Back into another instrumental, same as the verse. Cold. Okay, so let's just do the last chorus. So from this last, that second chorus what we did. Oh, why you gotta be so cold? Why you gotta go and cut me like an eye and put your love on ice? Oh, girl, you know you left this hole right in the middle of my soul. Oh, why you gotta be so cold? I can only feel my love hanging on. I don't feel like it's over. I'm still on fire. Why you gotta be so cold? The verse for an instrumental. And then it does more verses and more choruses, okay? And that's all there is to it, as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that, and I hope it makes sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.